Time capsule. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this first or inaugural day Mary Eugenia Charles Memorial Royal Lecture for 2011. For those of you who are unaware, it was the 6th anniversary of Dominica's former Prime Minister's death on the 6th of September, which was Tuesday just gone. And so this lecture is a timely memorial, not only in remembrance of her and her contribution to society and Dominica in general, or in particular, but also as Dominica at this particular time is going through many changes and reforms. And the title of this lecture is Dominica's Changing Jurisprudence, Rights, Rhetoric or Reform. And the way the lecture will be structured, if you like, is we will start out with some of the recent case law that has come out of Dominica. There will be 3 cases. They're all touched upon in brief in your handouts, but of course there will be elaboration throughout. Then we're looking at a new act. Well, it's not quite an act yet, it's a bill. It was produced on the 17th of September 2010, which is nearly a year ago now, and it's still not become an act. So I'm questioning, and I'm going to provoke hopefully some questions in your mind, whether if Dominica was serious about bringing this act in, whether it would have taken such a long time. So we're going to question that, if that's really rhetoric. And the last part of the lecture is on a white paper that the government of Dominica commissioned a firm of solicitors in England to look at land reform processes in Dominica. And I'll be taking you through some of the proposed changes. Again, it's only at the white paper stage, which means it's still open to consultation. But if some of these recommendations or suggestions do take fruition and are again in a bill or in an act, what those implications or ramifications will mean for those owning land in Dominica or those who wish to transfer land in Dominica, etc., etc., etc. Now, I thank you all for your time in coming. I apologize for the late start. We did have some technical issues, and there's still some people who have paid who have not come, or have not arrived. Maybe there's some issues with transport or whatever. But I'm going to make a start right now. I thank you for your patience. I just hope that you enjoy the lecture. I initially wanted to be delivering it from here, but as I said, due to technical issues and extension leads not working, I'm going to be talking just from the side of it, so I hope you don't take any offence to that, because it was meant to be at the front. But that said, if you feel that during the time of the lecture you'd like to ask a question, please just interrupt the flow, if that's the right word. There's no sort of strict formalities of putting hands up or wait until the end, because sometimes things can get lost in translation or lost in the discussion. So please just try and make it an interactive session if you like. Hopefully the PowerPoint slides will be helpful. Just 2 matters of housekeeping. Mobile phones, if you have them, try and put them to silent or off. Toilets are just outside this door, to the end of the corridor on the right-hand side. And in the event of an emergency, it's basically the same door we came in at, it's the same door we'll be going out of. So, as I said, I hope you enjoyed the lecture, and I'll now make a start.